Friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates with Verma. I give daily job updates as well as interview tips. So in today's video, I will discuss about how to prepare for TCS NQT 2021 examination, and I will discuss all the questions come and I will share a 30-day study plan with you. So I think it will be very much helpful for you. If you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe our channel because you will be beneficial with these lots of things, job updates as well as interview tips as well as different exam preparation videos. So let's start this video. So as we know that within 15th August the registration process will be closed for TCS. So those who have not uh, attend the drive or those who have not registered for the drive, those can check out the registration link I will share in the description box. You can go for it, do the registration, and the examination will be held in between the end of the August. Okay, so what you will do, as you know that TCS has divided 5 sections, like first one will be the verbal ability, then reasoning ability, numerical ability, as well as programming, logic and coding. So we basically try to help you that what are the questions and what should be the 1 month strategy for you to complete those parts, crack the TCS NQT examination. So basically in the quantitative aptitude section, we will discuss about the arithmetic, algebra and geometry constitute position. And in the programming logic section, we will discuss about how to face the exam without having basic programming logic also. We will discuss there the variables, data stored inside the computer in ASCII notation, and data structure like arrays, stacks, all those things we will discuss. And in the coding section, that will be most tricky. We will share with you the 200 plus coding questions through Kandura website. You can check it. I will share the link with you. But let me tell you that what is the approach to the solution of the particular questions. So now I will discuss for aptitude round. Okay. So if we check for the aptitude round, the main syllabus will be, the section will comprise 15 questions and main syllabus will be among these topics: the mensuration, numbers, time and distance and work, permutation and combination, probability, geometry, equations and functions, averages, mixtures and allegation, percentages, ratios, series and progressions. So the difficulty level will be around level 2 or level 3 questions out of the scale of 5, and the score must be, you have to secure a good score like 9 to 10 out of 15. Okay, otherwise you will not be eligible to, there sometimes present sectional cutoff, so then you will not be able to cover that cutoff round. Okay, so now I will share the arithmetic topics. Mainly arithmetic comes from numbers, percentage, ratios, time and distance, and averages, mixture and allegation. So what type of model you need to go through according to topic wise? Most important models like numbers, you will have to practice the remainder questions, LCM, HCF, finding units, digits, prime numbers, and also percentage calculation, Venn diagram based on problem, and percentage increase or decrease, distribution model in ratios, income expenditure model, proportion, time and distance is containing train problems, average speed, races, boats and streams. And in the mixture, you need to go through the allegation model, replacement model, average calculation, as well as error or missing numbers. So next portion is algebra and modern math. There you will get equation and functions from it. The most important topic is linear equation, problems on edges, graphs, then permutation, combination, arrangements and circular permutation, then probabilities calculations, problem on coins, dice, cards, series and progression. So there you need to practice the sum of first n terms in APGP series, finding the nth term. So all these portions you need to cover up. And for the this is into the geometry and mensuration portion. You need to focus on mainly geometry in the lines, angles, triangles, and circles. And from the mensurations, the area, volumes, perimeter of squares, rectangle, cubes, cuboids, spheres, all these portions are important. Okay, we are sharing those important questions which already have come previous years questions, previous test questions. So you can complete these modules. At first you try to complete these modules, try to do, I will say nearly you have 30 day. Okay, so now you can focus on each chapter, like numbers you will consider for 2 days. Within 2 days you can complete this remainder LCM, all these things. Then in next 2 days you complete percentage, ratios. So their number of topics is 1 2 3 4 5. So you consider 10 days for arithmetic, and for algebra you need to complete these 5 or 4 topics within 4 days. I mean to say the equation and function in one day, permutation combination in another day, probability one day, and series and progression in, so total 14 day. Okay, then for the geometry and mensuration you can complete these within another 2 to 3 days. So all total 17 days we are taking to complete the syllabus for arithmetic as well as the aptitude round. Okay, so now what you will do, you will try to practice more and more questions from all these portions in a format of mock test. So you can register for the TCS Intuitive free mock test here. I will share this link with you. Then you will be able to understand your mistakes, and you will learn from your mistakes that from which area you need to do your to give your more focus. Some important questions I will share with you, that some sample questions which already have come previous years, like these questions. So it's come from mensuration. So it's a cylindrical cans containing peanut butter. All cylindrical cans are uniform with diameter of each 16 centimeter and height 24 centimeter. So, so you will get the solution of the questions also here. That then the question has come that at the end of the level, just join together all these 3 cans. Then that is required to print such labels for the cans that you're planning to buy. So you can go through these questions to get your knowledge, better understanding of it. Then next questions have come also from geometry and mensuration, that is the circle and tangents question. Next is the fair dice question, that is from probability. Another one question which has come, this has come from number. So this has come from percentages. So we have shared with you the topmost topics and topmost questions which have come previous years to clear your doubts there, that what topic you need to choose and what questions you need to practice. Try to practice this type of questions, like here for ratio and proportion you can check that what is the ratio of efficiency, this type of questions. Next is the compound interest and simple interest portion, you can check it out. So lots of things are there. So obviously I will share this particular section with you so that it is easier for you to go through the questions. Like this one also has come from numbers, the divisible logic. So this will be very much important for you, and if you clearly follow this, I will suggest you, or I will assure you that you can secure 10 to 12 marks out of 15 questions in the TCS aptitude round. Okay, so now I will discuss about the English questions. Okay, so the broadly discussed topics in the English part is the based on grammars, like error identification, fill in the blanks, sentence improvement, and based on vocabulary, fill in the blanks. Based on logical thoughts and readings, you need to fill in the blanks, as well as you need to give the answer of the questions. Paragraph reading and sentence jumble comprehension is also there. So basically from noun, you need to go through all the nouns, pronouns, articles, adjective, adverbs, preposition, subject, verb, agreement, verb and tense, vocabulary. You need to go through the often confused words, correct spelling, use of words. So all these things you need to go through. Here also you will get a chance to practice your knowledge. Like here you will get the paragraph question. From there you need to answer these questions, and also you will get some phrase highlighted part which is correct or not. Those question also you will get. So all the questions you need to go through and prepare it according to the need. Okay, so next most important part is the programming logic. For TCS and QT, to crack the exam, to secure job in TCS, you need to obviously clear this coding section. So you need to focus on studying C, C++, Java, but that will not sufficient for this exam. So you can also learn Python. You can use any one of the language. So basically you need to take a idea that which portions, which 5 topics they mainly choose in the TCS and QT coding section. Like first one is the building block of the program. Do you have any deep knowledge in data types or variables or not? Next part is the structured programming. If you are able to write the few lines of codes given you a best implementation, conditional, array, string, pointer idea, if you have algorithm idea like heap shot, march shot, quick shot, then primary data structure of collections, intuitive knowledge of operations, stacks, those questions they may ask. Okay, so if you want some example or some questions like what is linker program, you can check it out. What is not a function of a loader? What happens if you perform a bitwise operation on this result? Then what is the ASCII notation? These type of questions they may ask. Okay, and also sometimes you need to find the pre-order traversal and post-order traversal in binary tree also. Sometimes you need to find out the errors in the coding. Okay, so lots of things I have already discussed, so you can take a suggestion from it. I will assure you, you will surely get a success in TCS NQT examination. So I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, please share these tips with your friends so that they will be beneficiate from this and they also crack the exam. So thanks for watching this video. I will try to bring more videos on interview tips, and also I will prepare one video for how to crack thesis interview. In this video I have talked about the preliminary round, that is the online round. Next video I will try to cover thesis interview round. Okay, so stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video with new job updates as well as interview tips. Please support us, subscribe us, and give us the motivation and hit the like button for this video. Have a great day. Bye.